Why did you choose to be a teacher?
Nagpo sa akin, sino ko ba? Hindi ko alam. Sa totoo lang. Pero as time goes by, parang love ko na. Di ba actually, in fact, many times, I told to my students na this is my last term, last year. And then, I was not able to read teaching. Hindi ko maiwanan siya.
How do you inspire and motivate your students in your lessons?
Maraming bagay na dapat na paano mo makukonvince, paano mo i-win yung attention ng bata, lalo in my subject. Mahirap din eh. Kasi, sa totoo lang eh, they hate me. Diba? Kala nila ganun kahirap. Kaya, siyempre, gagawa ka ng paraan kung paano mo. For example, like business, no? Parang business yun eh. Kukuhanin mo yung sympathy ng mga mamimili mo para ikay mabili yung produkto. Diba? Ganon din sa subject ko. Gumagawa ako ng paraan para magustuhan nila, mahalin nila, na hindi ganon kahirap yung math.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or
Of
class?
course, I pray first. Unang-una yun, nagdadasal ako na makondisyon ko, matuto yung mga tuturuan ko. Yan. Magdadasal ako, ipagdadasal ko muna yung sarili ko na everyday I encounter different mind ng mga students, di ba? Mahirap eh. Let's say you have 47 students. 47 din, iba't iba ang kanilang pag-uugali. Iba't iba. Kaya ang the first thing I do, pagpasok ko sa classroom, nagdadasal muna ako. Na sana, kumbaga nga sa produkto, mabenta ko. Yung moment na yun, maibenta ko kung anong gusto ko ibenta. At gusto ko, siyempre, kung maibebenta mo, malaki ang income mo. Di ba? Ganun din sa pagkakas ng ating kuya ng bata. Proud ka. Tapos, natutuwa ka. Ito stay low.
When you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
I call them. Especially yung position ko ngayon na yung moment na yon na halimbawa nakakita ko ng problem, na obstacle, automatic yun. On the spot. Inaayos ko agad. Actually, di ba, may mga na-encounter kami o natin sa office. Pero ko dinadala. Tapos, with the guidance of the Lord, na talagang naaayos naman kasi mga bata yan eh. Minsan nagkakaaway-away sila. For example, yesterday, na-involve na ang parent because of the quarrel of the students.
Inaway po uling mo.
Oo. Nag-involve ang mga parent. So, matindi na yun. So, away ng bata, may involvement ng parent. So, ayos naman. Siyempre, gagawa ka ng paraan para yung mga problema na ganyan, yung mga obstacle na ganyan, ay ma-resolve.
Why did you choose to be a teacher? I chose to be a teacher because I felt that it is a fun thing to do. When I was a kid, I used to teach my younger sister, and I found it very interesting. So, but I wasn't able to get it for my undergraduate. But eventually, because of some organizational work and joining different activities, I was able to try teaching. And then eventually, I fell in love with the work, and also I continued and pursued advanced further studies for that.
How do you inspire and motivate your students and classmates?
I'm teaching math. What I do is I try to inspire them and to make them understand that math is not that difficult. That it is really present in our everyday life. That even the small things that we don't really take much notice in, we are experiencing math. So I try my best to also come up with different activities or even let them watch series like numbers that will help them appreciate math.
What do you do to select a certain lesson for class?
So as a teacher, I think that that's the one thing that we really need more time in. So what we do is we try to look at our outline, the course outline, and then we try to look at the needs of the students as well. So we try to cater to all of their needs because we know that in a classroom there are different types of learners. So there are the fast learners, there are the average learners, and also the slow learners. So we try to help each type so that after teaching a lesson, we are assured that even those that who are not fast learners are able to even get the essentials.
When you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
At first, I try to understand all the sides of a particular incident. So after evaluating it and understanding them, so in the process, I ask the student, everyone who's involved, who are involved, so that I'll get a clear picture. So, and from that, I try to work on ways to resolve it.